Hello, respected sir, and my dear friends. Hope you all are well during this COVID crisis. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. This is Yashwant Kumar from ECE B section, and my roll number is 20BQ180473. Today, I am here to give the seminar presentation about the concept of synchronous generator. Before directly getting into the topic, let's see what we have to discuss in this topic. We have to discuss about what is the definition of synchronous generator and the difference between the DC generator and alternative generator, and we have to see the little bit of topic of advantages of rotating field of rotating armature. Let's directly get into the topic. Let's see what is the definition of the synchronous generator. It is known that the electric supply used nowadays as well as commercial with domestical purposes, we have to use the alternative type of generator similar to the DC machines. The AC machines which is associated with the alternating voltages are also classified as the generators and motors. The machines generating AC EMF are called synchronous generators, or other name is alternators or AC generators. It takes the mechanical input from the primary source and which gives the electrical AC output is known as alternators. These synchronous generators are running with constant speeds, that is synchronous speed. All the modern power stations which are consisting of the large capacity with three-phase alternators. Next, see what is the difference between the DC generator and alternator. DC generator consists of the rotating armature. AC generator consists of the rotating field, which is known as rotor. DC generators are stationary field consisting nature. The AC generators are stationary armature consisting nature, which is called stator. Let's see the advantages of rotating field over the rotating armature. The various advantages of the rotating field can be stated as: yes, everywhere AC is used, the generation level of the AC voltages is higher, like kV to 30 kV. These gets induced EMF in the armature. For large space can be provided to accommodate the large number of conductors and the insulation. If the high voltage armature is generally kept stationary, which avoids the electromechanical stresses. The voltage required to be supplied to the field is very low, which is 110 volts to 220 volts DC current, which is direct current, and hence these can be easily supplied with the help of the slip ring and brushes. By keeping the field in rotating motion, the sparking and slippings can be provided. Due to the low voltage level on the field way side have the low inertia, so that it can be driven at higher speeds. Field is rotating to excite it by an external DC supply to split rings are enough. The ventilation arrangement for the high voltage side can be improved by its kept in stationary form. Hope that you understand the concept of synchronous generator with followed by the difference between the DC generator and alternator with the little concept of advantages of the rotating field over rotating armature. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Have a pleasant day.